Hello students, I welcome all of you online classes with AK. Today we are going to discuss about active and passive voice. Already we discussed about tense in the previous video. I made a separate video, present tense, past tense, future tense. Those who have not seen my previous video, just you watch the previous video. And in this video, today we are going to discuss about a modal verbs. Here some modal verb we are going to discuss about them. Here some rules change the subject to object. Already I told you, but you see one more time. He change into him, she change into her, it change into it, I change into me, we change into us, you change into you, and they change into them. And here also passive voice of modal verbs. Here is a little bit trick you have to understand. In the active voice, can, could come after that. In the active voice, if verb first form comes, then in the passive voice we will use be. And the downside, could have, should have, after these modal verb in the active voice verb third form comes, then in the passive voice we will use been. Let I will tell you some more example, then you will better understand. Here the same thing here. In the active voice, if they are the first verb, first form of the verb used, then we will use in the passive voice be. In the active voice, third form used, then we will use in the passive voice been. Here the formula of passive voice: object plus modal verb plus be plus verb third form plus by plus subject. Here see, Mohan can bring a book. Here according to formula, first of all we have to find out object. Object is a book. Then modal verb is a can. After that we will put be. Then here bring, here is a first form, you can see. Then here we will use be here, and bring is a first form, then we will use brought. Already I told you about that, no? If there is the active voice, after the modal verb, here verb first form is there, then in the passive voice we will use be. If after the modal verb in the active voice there is a verb third form, then we will use been. So according to that, here the we will come. Then bring is there, then we will use the third form, then brought will come. Then by adding a preposition, then by subject, then the passive voice will come. A book can be brought by Mohan. See in the, we will see second example also. Here active voice, you may eat a banana. According to our formula, first of all we have to see object. Object is a banana. Then modal verb may. Then here you can also see eat. Here after the modal verb in the active voice, verb first form used, then in the passive voice we will use be. Okay. Then here after that verb third form, then by, then you. Then a banana may be eaten by you. You should mind it. While changing from active to passive voice, in the passive voice always we use verb third form. We will see the next example. Active voice, they might win the match. Then here what will come? The match might be won by them. Next example, you could not call him. Then the passive voice will come. He could not be called by you. Here also, the musician used to play the music to make us dance. Used to, where we use, first of all we should know, used to we use in the past habitual action. Used to we use past habitual action also. In the passive voice, first of all we will see object, then modal verb, then be, then verb third form, then preposition by, then subject. Then the here the music used to be played by the musician to make us dance. And here in the active voice, after the modal verb, if there is a verb third form, then in the passive voice we will use been. The formula of passive voice: object plus modal verb plus have plus been plus verb third form plus by plus subject. Then the active voice, the Suman would have attended the class. Then see here, after the modal verb, no, should have attended the verb third form comes, no, then in the passive voice we will use been here. Then here in the passive voice, first of all we have to find out object is the class, then modal verb, then been, then verb third form, then preposition by, then subject. Then the passive voice will come, the class should have been attended by Suman. Next example, Madhu would have sung a song. Then here, according to formula, we have to find out object, then modal verb, then been, then verb third form, then by, then subject. The passive voice will come, a song would have been sung by Madhu. Next, Reena, active voice, Reena would have given you the books. Passive voice, first of all we have to find out object is you, then modal verb would have, then been we will use, then verb third form, then by, then subject. The passive voice will come, you would have been given the books by Reena. The next example, active voice, you should have attended the function today. Then the passive voice will come, the function should have been attended by you today. Here are some questions for you. Change the following sentences from active to passive. You have to complete this. If there is any problem, then comment. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel. If you will subscribe, then if there is a latest notification, you will get. Okay, bye. Then see you in the next video.